Hey everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I created this ring using hard UV resin and soft UV resin. This is part of the 30 Themes Resin Challenge, and the theme for this creation is Winter is Coming. Hello GOT fans! Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's get started! We're going to start off with adding hard type clear UV resin to a ring mold. Then we're going to get a needle tool and push the resin down into the mold and get rid of the air bubbles as best as possible. Once you finish that, put it under the UV light to let it cure. Hopefully you get something that looks like this after it's been cured. Next we're going to mix in soft UV resin, blue pigment dye and glitter together in a silicone cup. Then pour the mixture into a cube mold. Then we'll mix up some soft UV resin and white pigment color into a silicone cup and pour that mixture into the same cube mold. Then just add a thin layer of clear soft UV resin on top and put it under the UV light to cure. After it's cured, you should get something that looks like this, and because it's soft UV resin, it's all squishy. Going back to our ring, we're just going to sandpaper off the extra bits. Next we're going to start cutting up our soft UV resin piece. Now it can be a bit tough, so be patient, but hopefully at the end of it you'll get little bits and pieces that look a bit like icicles. Then we're going to start adding the icicles to the top of the ring using UV resin to glue it down. After you're happy with the amount of icicles, put it under the UV light to let it cure. And there you have it. Our Winter is Coming themed icicle ring is now complete. I hope you enjoyed that video and hopefully I'll catch you at the next one. Alright, see you then. Bye!